5-gallon barrel of concrete. Paid a lot of money for this wall. Took a year and a half to make it. Three guys. Look at the beautiful mountains. Those are the Sangre de Cristo mountains. Oh well, can't really see them, but those are the Truchas peaks. Hachi, that's my dog Hachi. He's in a few of my videos playing with my other dog. She did pass away about 5 years ago. So I'll continue my my gate project. Have a good evening.